Okay, so Pantone University has decided to give us the Pantone color of the year, and guess it's what? It's Mocha Mousse. I really like this chocolate moussey sort of color, which is like a really good mood, especially into the winters. I love hot chocolate. I love anything chocolate. Also, I do have like a lot of browns in my wardrobe, so this year is going to be good for me because I am this brown guy over the YouTube. If you guys want to know how I have created this sultry Mocha Mousse vibe glam, then please keep on watching. Okay, skincare is on and I have my brows on as well. For my primer, I have just used this hyaluronic acid serum. Next, we're gonna quickly jump into eyeshadows. So the first step is going to be priming my lids, and for that, I'm taking this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. This is in the shade 13.5. It's very close to this chocolate brown shade, and that's gonna be working as our eyeshadow base. I'm gonna take a concealer buffing brush and I'm just gonna blend this concealer on all over my eyelids. Okay, for my eyeshadows, I'm going to pick up this product. This is the Huda Beauty Brown Obsessions, and I have picked this chocolate version. This color story perfectly goes with the Mocha Mousse vibes, as you can see. On a blending brush, I'm going to pick this first shade, which is more sort of like a milky brown. This I'm going to use as my transition shade to create more depth into the crease. I think the Mocha Mousse trend is more similar to the latte vibes which we had last year. But anyway, I really love brown shades. Especially brown shades look really good on Indian skin tones, and I prefer more of brown smoky eyes compared to a classic black smoky eye. So yes, I'm all down for the Mocha Mousse vibes. I'm going all messy around the outer thirds of the eyes because I'm going to clean this area up later. I'm gonna pick the same shade and work it around my lower lash line. Okay, next I'm gonna pick this warm brown shade on a fluffy brush like so, and this is gonna go on all over my lids. I'm just gonna do these patting motions to place the product as well as blend at the same time. I'm gonna take this NYX retractable eyeliner. This is in the shade brown. I'm just gonna run it through my upper lash line just towards the outer thirds. Create this sort of like a small flick. And don't worry if it looks a little bit messy because we're gonna just clean it up later. I'm going to take this pencil brush and start to kind of smoke this eyeliner. Okay, last shade I'm gonna pick is this deep chocolate brown on the same pencil brush. Connecting it with the outer V, I'm gonna just smoke the lower lash line as well, just towards the outer V. Now is the fun part. I'm gonna take a makeup wipe and just clean around the edges. I'm gonna take this Oh My eyeliner from Etude House. This is in the shade brown, and this is what I'm gonna use to kind of intensify the upper lash line. Next, for my foundation, I'm taking this Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation. I am in the shade 3N42, and this is the foundation I really enjoy because it doesn't oxidize and at the same time it looks like second skin. And using a damn beauty blender, I'm just gonna blend it all over my face. Today I don't have much to talk about on camera because I just have like no thoughts coming into my head. Also, this hair color looks like a mocha vibe. Okay, for my concealer, I'm picking one of my favorites, Best Skin Ever Concealer from Sephora. I'm in the shade 29.5, and this is going to work as my highlighting shade. I'm going to take my Beauty Bay Neutrals palette. This is a 16 color pan palette, and this shade, which is called Sequins, I'm gonna just take it and apply it on all over my lids, and it's gonna just transform this look from 0 to 100 in just 10 seconds. Look at that. For mascara, I'm gonna pick one of my favorites. This is the L'Oreal Panorama Mascara, and I'm just gonna coat my upper and lower lashes. Okay, eyes are complete at this point. For my bronzer, I'm taking this She Glam Liquid Bronzer. This one is in the shade Warm Honey. And I'm gonna skip my blush. So we're gonna just go a little bit heavy with the bronzer today. I'm gonna use the same damn beauty blender. This bronzer is seriously so pretty. And the perfect yellow warmth in this bronzer makes it more Mocha Mousse vibes. Do you see how beautiful this looks onto the skin? Okay, so our base is all complete. Now I'm just left with my lips. And for my lip combo today, I'm gonna use these 3 products. First, to line my lips, I'm gonna take this e.l.f. Cream Glide Lip Liner. And this one is in the shade Spill the Tea. It's a really smooth lip liner, which is just $3. And this is a perfect warm brown shade. For my lipstick, I'm gonna take this Mars matte lipstick. This is in the shade number 10. This is also like a warm brown shade, really giving that mocha mousse vibes. Okay, this look which I'm wearing right now is very monochromatic. You can actually pair it with a nude lip, as well as you can just wear like a very deep brown. And last, to top it off, I'm going to take this lip plumper. This is from She Glam, and this is in the shade Sepia Kiss. It is similar to that kind of like a clicky thing. This looks really wonderful on my lips. I really feel to kind of eat my own lips. And that's it, you guys. This is the final mocha mousse look. Right now, looking into the mirror, I can certainly give this sort of like a mocha mousse vibes. And the monochromatic look is really giving me this sort of like a warm, cozy energy. What do you guys think about the mocha mousse being the Pantone color of the year? Do you guys love it or hate it? Let me know into the comment section. Also, if you have liked this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, as it helps to grow my channel. And I'm going to see you guys in my next one.